Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to recreate a look inspired by a rainbow look. So this is my person doing a rainbow look. So I am going to recreate again Lance Aguas makeup look. And by the way, don't forget to follow me on my social media account, Instagram at Darius Evardo, IG, um, and Facebook or FB, Darius Evardo. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, let's jump out to the video. So guys, I'm using Eviaden's Shine Free Foundation. Likewise, just apply it to your face using a sponge. Apply it to your eyes, and so this foundation is not kind of full coverage. So blend it full. And now I'm using MUAHHH concealer in the shade dark, medium to dark. And apply it to your T-zone, to your under eyes. Then make sure you hide your blemishes. So this concealer is kind of, full coverage. Yes, but it's amazing. Okay, apply it to your face, blend it well, blend in but don't blend in, blend the rose but don't blend it. I don't know. So I'm using MUAHHH definition kit. Just apply their eyebrows if you like. Like what I always say, if you have a beautiful eyebrows, don't apply too much, just a little bit to make it more enhanced like that. Okay, now using the spoolie, brush it off like what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm going to bake my face. This is translucent powder from MAC, like that. Just apply it on your eyes and bake it and cake it, char. So honestly, when I apply MAC, that translucent powder, it's not like cakey like that. So guys, let's move on to eyeshadow. I'm using James Charles palette. Just use the pink one. Just blend. Just blend, okay? And after that, build it up. Or just build it to make it more pigmented. And apply a reddish one. Then I'm using Naked Seamless Concealer and do a cut crease. Make sure your cut crease is kind of beautiful and perfect. Okay. So use a flat brush to for applying that eyeshadow, the orange one. So I'm using Jacqueline Hill palette, but now I'm using James Charles. Sure. Then apply it to the concealed eyelid. Sure. Just apply, build it up. So wow, magic. Tapos guys, I finish the other eyes. So I'm using the James Charles palette, just the yellow, green, orange. Just just copy the right shape. Sure. The blue one like that. Just make it light because we need to make it more pastel like that. Not too dark, not too light, medium rare for nature. So I think this area is kind of messy, I've noticed. So just apply it, make it, behind the scene. And now I'm using BYS concealer, so let's shortcut. I mean that not concealer, liquid eyeliner. Smudge free. Smudge free. Paubos na yan, looking for sponsor. Sure. Then after that, add the rhinestone using a glue, different glue like Elmer's glue, HPW glue, anything that is glue apply. Just use it to apply or applying your rhinestone. If you have rhinestone, just use sequins or I don't know, char. And after that, it's our time. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it. So by the way, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel to this channel, and don't forget to follow me on my social media account, Instagram with Darius Evardo and Facebook Darius Evardo. And please support me.